Here's how to zoom and pan with keyframes. Press duration to adjust the duration of your photo. Now select the track and add a keyframe where you want the zoom to begin. Pinch to zoom in and add another keyframe. Now let's go ahead and pan across the photo. Add a keyframe at the starting point, then drag across the photo and add another keyframe. Zoom out exactly the way you started and add your final keyframe. And that's it. Now you know how to zoom in and out and pan across photos or videos.